room and my desk set up. So let's see what is on my desk. First thing you know, my laptop is from Lenovo, I guess, and the next one is Dell monitor. I think it's 24-inch, I guess, and it's my PS4 Slim from the US. I bought it from US and I brought it back to Thailand with him. And next is a Rode microphone, USB microphone. It's pretty good. I really like it. I mean, it's quite expensive for my budget. It's around, I think, 8,000 Thai baht. I don't know how much in dollar. 200, almost 300, I guess. And next one is headphone SteelSeries wireless white one, Arctic 7, I guess, and that's pretty good, awesome. And I connect it with the Rode microphone. And my PS4 controller, one, who's over here, okay, and the keyboard. Okay, the keyboard is Royal Curve, I guess, 61 R61, I guess it is. Sorry. And the mouse is Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed. And the monitor, I don't know what it's called in English for sure. And this one, monitor switcher, because I use my PS4 and laptop switch on only one monitor. So that is. And what else? Yeah, like a little sound. What speaker? Yeah, so speaker, Bluetooth speaker from Bose SoundLink Mini. I'm sorry. Yep, it is. And my cable management is pretty, I think it's acceptable. Nothing crazy, you know. And it's kind of keep everything on the back here so nobody could see it. And my table is an old table for my mom. Yep, but the rest, leg, feet, foot over here, I don't think, I don't like it because my leg is too long. Yep, and it's make your knee, legs tight. And that's it. Pretty much my setup. And with the microphone arm. Yep, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next clips.